If X.com or Twitter is not loading tweets properly, don't worry. This usually comes down to a browser issue, a cache problem, or a temporary loading glitch. And in this video, I'll walk you through 3 simple fixes that can help get everything working again fast. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, try a hard refresh on the page. A hard refresh forces your browser to reload the page instead of using stored data, which can fix tweets that are stuck loading, not appearing, or showing errors. On Windows, press Ctrl plus F5, or on Mac, press Command plus Shift plus R. Give the page a moment to reload, then check if the tweets start showing up normally. If that doesn't work, the next thing to try is opening X.com in an incognito window. Incognito Mode helps you test whether the problem is coming from your browser extensions, save session data, or cookies. To do that, open a private or incognito window in your browser, then go directly to X.com and sign in again if needed. If tweets load properly there, that usually means your regular browser session is the issue, not the site itself. If you're still having trouble, move on to the final fix, which is clearing your cookies and cache. This is one of the most effective ways to solve loading problems because old cached files or corrupted cookies can stop Twitter from displaying content correctly. To do this on most browsers, press Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete on Mac. This opens the Clear Browsing Data menu. From there, select Cookies and Cached Images and Files, then choose the time range you want to clear. Usually, all time is the safest option if the issue has been happening for a while. Once you've selected everything, click Clear Data or Delete. After that, close the browser completely and reopen X.com to test it again. In many cases, one of these 3 steps will fix the problem and get tweets loading normally again. If the issue still continues after this, it may be worth checking your internet connection, disabling browser extensions one by one, or trying a different browser altogether. But in most situations, a hard refresh, incognito mode, and clearing cookies and cache are the fastest fixes. I hope this helped you get X.com or Twitter loading again. If it did, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next troubleshooting video.